The freestyle, I wrote it down. Here we go. Alright.
Put that on that beat, ho.
You supposed to be getting mad, cause I deny you. It's the reason, cause every guy has tried you. If I wanted to, I could buy you. You said you fine, hell no, you been lied to. So Brianna, for an example, you be blowing niggas like candles. You a hoe, we all know she give it all. Even through the internet, you might as well be a fish in it the way we dipping it. Sorry to expose you, I see a lot of hoes, but you're number one. Jesus has cloned you. Please go back to where you belong to. Hell no, you thought I was done? You thought you have won? Now you're my son? I'm getting hella crunk, and I ain't even drunk. I don't give a fuck, go get your mommy. I'll go get my white friend Tommy. Oh yeah, for your friend, I get a hillbilly redhead friend to fuck her, Bobby. Well, hold up, you really wanna try me? Let me go ahead and compliment myself too, and you do a really good job of rapping. Don't let these hoes mess it up and you'll be the one laughing. All you hoes be trying to claim me as the baby daddy, knowing damn well I got one girl, Maddie. So move it aside, move it aside. You stanky hoes making onions cry. I don't got a best friend, I put all hoes aside, all hoes aside, all hoes aside. How many times do you take a shower? The odor is making my barbecue colder. Dust off my shoulders, standing there like a soldier, passing the blunt like a game controller. She baking it, pussy just be slanking. Leave her on the corner like a light pole. Go through it, she's green. Problem is she probably ain't even clean. Put it in you, catch STDs. I'm glad it wasn't me. I'm free like a bird, so why you judging me? Please understand my feelings. I'm sorta angry at this world. They only care when you're gone. Why can't we just get along? Fuck it. Take my words, throw it in the bucket. Killing people ain't even worth it. No matter how far you push me, you can never cook me or ever overlook me. Even Morgan Freeman said I'm a legend. Damn, that's a blessing. Y'all need a lesson. If you want something, you gotta go get it. No matter how much or how far it gets me, one of y'all rappers gonna pick me. If not, then kick me. Another young rapper trying to come up. I write my own lyrics. I might be a producer. Just give me a topic and I'll run through you.